Hey everyone, I'm super excited to show you this meat grinder that I got today. This is perfect for any type of meat that you want to grind up to cook, or if you want to make into sausages or hot dogs or sausage links. This meat grinder is perfect for any of those things. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up.
This multi-functioning meat grinder comes with all the parts that you need to be able to run it, and it's great with the LED screen that it has. It's a smart touch color screen. There's an on-off button, a sausage mode, so this is low-speed operation for delicate processing, and then a grind mode, a high-power processing for tough ingredients, especially like chicken. And you have to double tap them twice to be able to activate them. And then it also has a reverse button, so it has an emergency high-speed reversal, which you press and hold, and that clears out the jams. I love that it has storage for all the attachments, and it saves space, and it also prevents losing these attachments. After 10 minutes of use, you are supposed to shut the device off because otherwise it will automatically turn off for overheating protection, which is great because it gives you safety and peace of mind. It has 3 speed settings, so you can choose what speed you need. And it comes with 2 different blades, 3 grinding plates, a sausage and kibbe attachment, and it also is great because there's no more messy kitchen. You're not going to have stuff all over the place when you're trying to cut up meat. This is also very easy to clean. Some parts are dishwasher safe, which is great. Some you just have to wash by hand, but it's easy to also take apart and put back together. It does have a quick release button to unattach the metal attachment, which makes it very easy and convenient. So if you're looking for a meat grinder to meet all of your needs, especially if you're making sausage, or if you want to grind up some ground beef or grind up some chicken, I highly recommend this meat grinder. It would be perfect. By being able to quickly ground the chicken, I was able to whip up one of my kids' favorite recipes of Asian chicken meatballs. Thank you so much for watching.